YouTube was good, y'all. Welcome back to the club. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Tech Realism, where we talk real tech, guys. You know what I'm saying? We got another case right here. We got the Spigen Slim Armor case. All right, this ran me about $60 from London Drugs. Okay, and we finna see if this is even worth $60. All right, from from my point of view right now, it don't. But we gonna see. All right, we gonna see. We gonna test it. We're gonna see if it is. You know what I'm saying? If you guys didn't watch my other video yesterday that I dropped, link in the description. You know, I tested. I didn't really test, but I did a review on this case, this clear case. And honestly, I've been using this today, and it really grew on me for some reason. You know what I'm saying? I just like how it's kind of dusty right now. That's the one thing that I didn't like about this case, but I already mentioned it in the video. But besides that, it looks clean. You know what I'm saying? So, alright, that's besides the point. Let's get straight in the video. Alright, so boom. This is the case, or this is the box, or packaging, whatever you want to call it. Alright, so how do you open this? Just like in my other video, boom, like so, boom. Alright, very easy to do. And now this is the case right here. Okay. Already, this is not worth $60. Alright. I already knew. All right, what is this little thing says right here? You know what I'm saying? Boom. Don't bend on the top of the case. Right? I don't know why they included that. It's pretty obvious. Don't bend your stuff if you just bought it. So this is the case. Is this worth $60? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Okay? This feels real cheap. Anyways, so this is the, two parts of the case. You got the rubber with the MagSafe in the middle, right? And then you got the hard part of the case, the harder part. This feels real cheap, guys. I don't know if y'all can hear that. It says don't bend it, so I ain't gonna bend it. But I don't know if y'all can hear that. You hear that? This thing gonna break. Okay, if you were to drop this thing gonna break. Obviously, I'm not gonna go too hard on it. But hey, it does say slim armor, okay? And it says drop tested, okay? Let's see about that. You feel me? Just a kickstand, boom. All right, pretty straightforward. Put these together. They got a rubber finish right here. This is the hard part case, the hard finish, rubber, hard, some powers right here. Very feels pretty flimsy, not gonna lie. Okay, this is why we at Tech Realism, we make sure this is real tech. Okay, got the slim armor branding right here. The cutouts look right to me. We'll see about that when we put the iPhone in here. You know what I'm saying? Seems like they got shock absorption right here. This feels like some sort of foam. Yellow for some reason. I don't know if there's a reason for that. Yeah, power button right here, obviously, and then volume up and down, and then I believe that's the action button. All right, so let's take the iPhone right here, okay, and let's put it right in here. Okay, so let's take off this case, put this aside. You know what I'm saying? This is the iPhone 15. You know what I'm saying? Boom, put it in here. All right, so this is how it looks like on the iPhone 15. Nothing spectacular. It does feel pretty heavy, okay. But yeah, in terms of the camera, I don't know if this hump is gonna, prevent your camera from getting scratched. I don't know if that's gonna happen. I mean, you want a case more like this. You see this right here, where you can clearly see the hump, opposed to this. The hump is a lot bigger. Okay, so that's that. Power buttons. This is power, pretty clickable. You know what I'm saying? All right, and then the volume rocker up, down. You know what I'm saying? Pretty clickable. Y'all can hear that. And then the action button. That's basically it. I don't have much to say about this case. Okay, to be honest. I mean, if you guys are looking for a case, if y'all are looking for a case that does this, be my guest. All right, if you want to watch your movie or whatever, you want to surf the internet, you want to watch your sports game, and you want to put your phone like this, be my guest. But honestly, this ain't really my cup of tea. Speaking, this is really not my cup of tea. You know what I'm saying? Is this even really like drop test proof? You know what I'm saying? I don't even know. Okay, I don't even know. But it says it's drop test. I don't know if that's certified. But guys, if you guys are looking for a case that can just do this, that can only do that, or a case that has MagSafe on it, be my guest. Is this really gonna protect your phone like that? I don't know. A case like this, definitely. A case like this though, I don't know. I'm just keeping it a buck. All right. This is, I already made a review on this. The GE Tech. This is a robust, heavy duty case right here. Okay, I can literally feel the ruggedness. Look, this ain't going nowhere. This ain't break. Feel me? But this, on the other hand, if I were to take this off, remove it, this is definitely breaking. Can y'all hear that? That's definitely breaking. So, would I recommend this case? If you're looking for a case for protection, hell no. This ain't gonna protect your phone. This, on the other hand, is. If you're looking for something more like aesthetically pleasing, in your opinion, sure, be my guest. You know what I'm saying? Link in the description. Helps with the channel to have a little commission here and there. But is this real tech? Is this certified real tech? Absolutely not, in my opinion. Okay, this is just my opinion. Okay, it could be real tech for you, but in this channel, it ain't real tech. I'm just reviewing it, and yeah, I ain't really a fan of this. You feel me? Let me wipe my phone real quick. I ain't really a fan of this, to be honest. It's not my cup of tea, and on top of that, this is definitely not worth $60. Okay, I'm pretty sure on Amazon it's cheaper. It's definitely not worth $60. But if you're looking for a case, for example, like this, clear case, boom, you want to showcase your phone, it looks minimalistic. I mean, this is a nice case too, the clear crystal case. All right, so this case right here, I ain't really feeling it. There's definitely some other better cases out there, for sure, in terms of Spigen. All right, better, designs and stuff like that. There's some better cases out there. But yeah, YouTube, that's the video. Like, comment, subscribe, join the club, join the crew. We growing up here, guys. We are right now at 363 subscribers at the time of this recording, guys. All right, YouTube, we out. Peace.